ayamaru. We use it when we do something rude or cause trouble to someone. 謝る。失礼したときや、相手に迷惑をかけたときに使う言葉だよ。It is used as a verb, a godan u verb. The word ayamaru means to express regret, say sorry, and ask for forgiveness, sometimes with the idea of making amends. 気分が悪かったと認めて、ごめんと気持ちを伝え、許してほしいと願うことだよ。The single kanji means apology and thanks. You see it in shazai for a formal apology. You also see it in kansha when you show gratitude. The core idea is words to repair or keep good relationships. I apologize to the teacher for being late. 私は先生に遅れたことを謝った。私は先生に遅れたことを謝った。He quickly apologized. 彼はすぐに謝った。彼はすぐに謝った。First of all, please apologize sincerely. まずは心から謝ってください。まずは心から謝ってください。I apologize to my friend for causing him trouble. 友達に迷惑をかけてちゃんと謝った。友達に迷惑をかけてちゃんと謝った。The most common synonyms of the word are wabiru and shazaisuru. Wabiru feels softer and personal. Shazaisuru is formal or official. Both overlap with ayamaru in saying sorry. The most common antonym of the word is yurusu. It means to forgive someone, which is the receiver's action, not the speaker's act of saying sorry.